Hello and welcome to our tutorial on configuring a Mikrotik router. In this video, we will be walking you through the basic steps of setting up your Mikrotik router, including connecting to the router, accessing the web interface, and configuring your network settings. Connecting to the router. The first step in configuring your Mikrotik router is to connect to it. To do this, you will need to connect one end of an Ethernet cable to the LAN port on your router and the other end to your computer. Once the cable is connected, you should be able to access the router's web interface by typing the router's IP address into your web browser. Accessing the web interface. Once you have accessed the web interface, you will be prompted to enter a username and password. The default username and password for Mikrotik routers is admin and password, respectively. You have changed the default login information. Use that instead. Configuring your network settings. Once you have logged into the web interface, you will be able to configure your network settings. In the left-hand menu, navigate to IP and then select DHCP server. Here, you can configure the DHCP settings for your network, including the IP range, DHCP lease time, and other options. Next, navigate to IP and then select address. Here, you can configure the IP address of your router and set up static IP addresses for any devices connected to your network. Lastly, navigate to wireless and then select wireless security. Here, you can configure the wireless security settings for your network, including the wireless encryption method and the wireless password. Advanced configuration. Once you have completed the basic configuration of your Mikrotik router, there are several advanced options you can explore to further customize your network. One of the most important advanced options is Network Address Translation NOT. NOT allows you to share a single internet connection with multiple devices on your network. To configure NOT, navigate to IP and then select Firewall. From there, you can configure your NOT rules and enable port forwarding if needed. VPN. Another advanced option is to set up a virtual private network VPN connection. This allows you to securely connect to your network remotely and also encrypts your internet traffic. To set up a VPN, navigate to PPP and then select VPN. From there, you can configure your VPN settings and create a new VPN connection. Cost. Quality of service cost is another advanced option that can be useful to manage your network traffic. It allows you to prioritize different types of traffic, ensuring that important traffic such as video calls and online gaming have the bandwidth they need. To configure costs, navigate to queue and then select simple queues. From there, you can configure your cost settings and create new queues for different types of traffic. Wireless access point. Finally, another advanced option is to turn your Mikrotik router into a wireless access point. This allows you to extend your wireless network coverage and add wireless capabilities to your existing wired network. To turn your router into a wireless access point, navigate to Wireless and then select Access Point. From there, you can configure your wireless settings and create a new wireless network. Conclusion. And that's it. You have successfully configured your Mikrotik router. Remember to always save your changes before exiting the web interface. If you have any questions or concerns, please refer to the Mikrotik documentation or contact the Mikrotik support team for assistance. Thanks for watching.